Guys, guess who is here?
Hey, what's
the
up?
beautiful Miss Trudy.
Hey.
And see who is looking hot. See who is looking hot, guys. Like see hot girl. Oh my God! What the?
Lagos, Nigeria, Kenya.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Baby Mira here again, and guys, I am at Mira Art Gallery, located at Ikati bus stop or Ikati roundabout, very close to that. So this is what this art gallery looks like. It is a white building, and I think it's a 3-story building. And guys, so I'm going to explore the paintings and everything that's in here. So guys, come with me. As you can see, there are already some sculptures outside here making it look nice, and this is the entrance, guys. So this place is gonna be fun. And guys, I'm here with Trudy and Betty Grace. So we're gonna explore this place. It is gonna be fun. So guys, stay tuned. So yeah, still I'm trying to like go inside right now, and let's go. Let's see what here looks like. So we have out here as in the ground floor without even entering inside. So you have so many sculptures made of metal, and that is something. You are welcome. So yeah, this is welcoming us. So we're gonna head inside, but before then I have something to show you guys. Like, this is actually a well, but look at how beautiful and how decorated it is. So yeah, guys, and see, look at the metal sculptures on the wall. This place is really beautiful. This is just outside. So right now, let us head inside. Can you believe that these things are recycled from tire? Guys, no tire, motor car tire and stuff like that. This stuff right here, they are all recycled from tire. Oh my God, I'm so wowed. I'm so wowed. Guys, this place is extremely beautiful. You know, the paintings are so natural and cute. You know, you need to be here if you love paintings and you love drawings, and you know, you need to be here. They do lots and lots of things here. There are tie-and-dye stuff, so many things, so many sculptures. I'm just going to show you guys around. This place is really a place to be, you know. So many people come here to just walk around and, you know, check out stuff. So let me just take you guys around right now. I am at the last floor right now, but I'm going to go to the first floor and downstairs, and I'm going to show you guys around. I'm trying to keep the rules. The rules is that you can't directly take pictures or videos of the art. So you must have to be in them. So I'm going to walk around and show you guys while in the picture, you know. So I'm just trying to be careful and just follow the rules, you know. Guys, I'm here with someone you all know, one beautiful sissy. Her name is Betty Grace. You all know her already. I'm gonna drop her link down below. So yeah, that's about that. I'm still walking around, show you guys some stuff. I hope you guys can see it this way, because this is the best I can do right now. I don't want to break the rules and get flogged. Guys, I used to be so guys, check out those drawings are up. Look at those fat ladies dancing. Oh my God, this is so cute. Like, look at this one, So see no, lots of beautiful drawings. Oh my God, see this. Wow, this place is really cute, you know. Oh my God. So yeah, so if you love art, you love something just fell down. Fine, yeah, we are instructed not to touch. We just have to view, and maybe if you want to buy one, then you can go ahead and do that. I'm trying to tread with care while I show you guys around. So this is about it. This looks kind of round. And guys, guess who is here?
Hey, what's
the
up?
beautiful Miss Trudy.
Hey.
And see who is looking hot. See who is looking hot, guys. Like see hot girl. Oh my God, what the? So guys, you all know her already. She's also here, you know.
Have you shown them your outfit of the day? Because it's not
Oh guys, this is
fly. Look at this.
Damn. But these are made by metals. Like here, I'm not instructed to touch, but see what the beautiful stuffs that we got here. These are the sculptures, right? That's what they're called. But these ones are made of metals. Are they called a different name, or they are just the same thing? Okay. So that's what it is. So guys, you guys need to see this one. You guys need to see. So see, this place is extremely beautiful, you know. Extremely. So I'm still gonna show you guys around, you know. Yeah. So guys, we are on another section of this art gallery, and these sculptures are actually made of wood. These are wooden sculptures. The other one I showed you guys back there, they were the ones made out of metal. So what they do with those ones is to reuse waste and then bring something out of it. Like guys, come and see this. These are animals that are constructed with wood, and you know, this place is really beautiful. You know, I think people that do these things are really talented because you can just take out the wood and then transform it to something. Guys, this place is extremely beautiful. Just gonna show you guys around, you know. Yeah, see this. This is looks weird but beautiful all the same. See, there are so many things here. Okay guys, I'll just go around and show you guys. Oh my god, this place is extremely beautiful. Like, what you guys need to visit here. I've been passing this place and I've never even entered here before. So today I was like, I need to try this place, and I'm extremely wowed, and I'm very happy and glad I came here. Because what I'm seeing here is mind-blowing. It is extremely mind-blowing. Like, I don't need to talk about. I'm tempted to because this place is really beautiful, guys. You should come check it out. Check out this. So I told you guys I was at the last floor and I'm going down to the first floor. This place is not really bright enough, but you can get something. You can get something out here. So yeah, this is how big it is. You guys need to be here. You know, you guys really need to be here. See, guys, see how big. And guys, it's all art from the ground floor to the first floor to the second floor. You know, they are all entirely art, handmade art, guys. They even have tie and dye paintings and materials and stuff, like so much. Like, I'm wowed. I'm really wowed. So yeah, I wanted to stay more to show you guys, but I'm kind of rushing to somewhere that and I really need to go to. So yeah, this is the first floor. You know, looks cool too. Oh, this place is beautiful, guys.
Please, Mama asked me to dress her up.
Oh my god, this is beautiful.
That's all. That's all.
Just look at Miss Trudy, looking so pink in that beanie attire. Guys, this is Trudy on this tie and dye material. Is this a tie and dye material? Yeah, so yeah, this is Trudy on this tie and dye material that we got from this art gallery. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, she's looking so cute.
Wow, I love it, you guys.
Is it really for cheap? And some people, when we are doing traditional marriage, some people take this stuff. I've forgotten what it's called, but I look it up and leave it on the screen. And Trudy is so happy. Like,
I can talk to her now.
guys, this is Mama Nike, the founder, the owner of Nike Art Gallery. I'm so glad to meet you. Yo guys, so she is the wonderful Mama Nike. So guys, I'm introducing to you.
Come and check it. Come.
Come back again.
Yes, guys, you guys need to visit here. She's saying, all right, thank you. It's Miss Trudy and Mama Nike. She's the owner of this gallery, right? Okay, guys. So yeah, look at her tying this big head tie. Oh my god.
South Africa. Before I
And
get
this is
my
Miss Trudy all dressed up.
Lift my head high. And people say, no, don't take this one. Lagos. You don't say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Lagos, Nigeria, Kenya.
Yeah.
Again. Lagos, Nigeria, Kenya.
Sorry, it's taking so much. Yo guys, so finally I'm with Mama Nike. I'm so happy to meet you. I've heard so much about you. Wow, I'm amazed. How did all this start?
Well, I want to tell you, everything started with the energy of Kenya.
Oh really? Oh my god, and I'm from Kenya. Kenya and listen up closely.
Habari. So there is a man who was feeding the Biafra children.
Yeah.
His name is Alan Donovan. He's the first one to invite me to Kenya. To when he opened the gallery, and I started going to Kenya, and since then I just fell in love with Kenya and the Kenya spirit. Bringing tourists to Kenya actually make me want to open a gallery in Nigeria. That is how. But my parents are craft people, and they start teaching me at the age of 6, and then the way they pass education to kids in those days, they teach your child what to do. That is how I started small.
Do you think people can actually make a living out of such kind of art?
Of course. It's a business. Art is a business. The highest art last year is by Nigerian female called Indipika. The money of that painting goes from the first year 1 million, over 1 million, the second year over 2 million.
1 million naira?
No. Dollars.
Wow.
The third one over 3 million, which is 1.2 billion. So why not make money? You make money from art. Art is a business, even though it's therapy, but you make money from art.
Okay, last question. You have received so many awards. Which one is most memorable? Or which one have you always wanted to receive, and when you receive this?
Oh, I think this one I got from South Africa this year.
Yeah.
DFA on art as a female, and my name is nominated from different parts of the country. I think it's one of the memorable ones, and we always appreciate it, and I really adore it as a female artist to have doctorate degree on art. That is my so what I
Finally, what's the advice you can give people out there?
well, my advice is for people to follow their heart. Anything they know they are good at, do it well. This art, if you know you are good in art, in creativity, please follow your heart and do it well. The sky is your beginning.
Yeah.
You can make money with your hand, anything you do with your hand, and do with your body, and do with your head.
Thank you so much.
Art is business.
Art is
life.
business.
Yes,
Guys,
yes.
you heard that?
Yes.
Yeah, that is life too, guys. That is all for now, and I'm currently leaving this venue. I know I didn't show you guys a lot because there are so many you guys need to see. Just because for one reason or the other, basically we aren't allowed to take some kind of videos and other stuff. So yeah, I know you enjoyed this, and yeah, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please endeavor to hit the subscribe button and like and also share the video, guys. Even the outside is beautiful. So guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video, and until then, bye.